how to buy YAPSTER token. So this token came under the symbol of YAPSTER. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you want on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy their benefits. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check their accounts and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, the only solution or only way to buy this token is by going to their X tweet, as you can see. So what you need to do here, just copy this contract address. It's under this Solana network. Now what you need to do here, just go and open your Phantom wallet for that. Now as you can see here, click on swap, but make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. So click here and paste the token address. So this is our token, click on it, and here make sure to type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. In the provider, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here, or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slip hash. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a YAPSTER token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.